court date is, and then she'll let you know if you need to be back on that date or not. Okay, step in front of the clerk, Brittany. Miracle O'Veal. Good morning, you're Miracle O'Veal. Miss O'Veal, did you get someone hired?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Who'd you talk to?
No.
Speak up, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
You didn't speak up. Talk louder. Who? Dunham and Jones, okay. Who else?
The guy I can't remember. I just have to take this.
I can't understand
Yeah,
you.
the other guy I can't remember. I can't remember.
Mr. Parker, can y'all hold it down? I'm having a hard time hearing.
So the other guy I can't remember. I just have to take a message from. I don't remember his name. I didn't speak with him. We kind of went through like.
Why didn't you, so you've been here before, why didn't you write all that down and bring it to me like I asked you to?
I did, but I had it in my phone. I didn't transfer it to paper. I hadn't had it.
Well, where's your phone?
It's right in my phone.
Okay, tell me, I want to know the 3 lawyers that you talked to that I asked you to do.
Okay. It was the Defendant Jones. Technically, I talked to two.
Yeah, you're just mumbling.
Technically, I talked to 2 of the people at Defendant Jones.
You talked to 2 different lawyers there?
Yeah, I didn't realize that. One of the name was Matt Shanks. The other one.
You actually went and visited with them?
Mr. Shanks.
Okay.
Because remember, I don't live out here, so I couldn't.
Well, obviously I don't remember. I
Oh,
do
I'm
this every
sorry.
week with them.
No, I
The
don't-
courtroom is full of. Okay, so you've talked on the phone with.
Yeah, and that's who I was mainly pretty much moving forward since I had talked to both of them.
Okay,
And we had they pretty much gave me basically a fair rate and stuff like that.
okay.
So
So when are you gonna get them hired?
I want to say hopefully soon. Before
What is that? I don't know what that means.
By the 31st.
Okay,
July.
I'm gonna reset your case one more time. You need to get someone hired before that next court date. If it's not gonna work out with them or one of those people at Dunham and Jones, then you need to talk to at least 3 others, and you need to have those names ready on who you actually spoke with when you come back, okay?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Robert Wayne Simon. Good morning, you're Robert Simon. So, Mr. Simon, you've been here before on 2 cases and you've been indicted now on a new offense. Well, it's a new indictment, but it's an old offense. So that is cause number 26 DCCR 0720. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of possession of a controlled substance from August of 2024. So where are you on being able to get someone hired on your cases?
This is what I've got, Your Honor. I have tried my best. Hire an attorney.
Okay.
Done whatever you asked me to do. I've done all of it. I have some percent that for you now.
Who'd you talk
Trying
to?
to hire Ralph Pembroke
Uh-huh.
as of now. It's the money situation. I'm trying to pay the bond, the bills, and him at the same time.
Are you
And-
working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because you've got that new indictment, I'll give you one more reset. I'll also allow you, if you want, to fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court appointed. I mean, it depends on what your income is, but I'll take a look at it if you want to do that.
I do. Problem is, I'm waiting on my wife to show up and get her to fill it out. I'm really dyslexic. I can't see things.
Oh, is she on her way?
Yes, I said
Okay.
things backwards. So if I can't get her to fill it out for me. As soon as
Okay.
she gets here.
Well, if she's on, I'm gonna have you get the paperwork from the clerk and then y'all need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So make sure you don't leave everything, things blank. Put if it doesn't apply and things like that, and then I'll take a look at it. All right.
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk on the end. Jasmine Jaquette. Good morning, ma'am. You're Jasmine Jaquette?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Jaquette, were you able to get someone hired?
So I have a couple of people I was already working on his homes. I reached out to Mr. Lewis and Ms. Lloyd Perezzo, but I just have some stuff going on right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the court appointed so that I can get stuff moving, but I don't know how long it'll take.
Are you working?
Yes, ma'am, I'm working now.
Okay, well, you don't get to just get a court appointed. That's the whole point, is that if you're working, I expect you to try to hire someone. Where are you working?
At the Port of Bowman. So it's like a temp, it's like when they have work, then I work, I get picked, but it's not like every day.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk on the end, she'll give you that paperwork. Oh, you know, that same this. That sound is me getting emails. For some reason, when I get an email, it's making a sound. Because I notice I'm getting, that's what it is. It's like a notification. Well, then I won't know how to get to it, so I don't know why. Anyway, we'll figure it out. It says. See, Judge Walker, you've got Aaron Shutley.
Judge, can we hold that for 1 second? This won't be on our way down.
Sure. See, Mr. Wasserstein, you've got Guadalupe Reyes. Yes.
Guadalupe.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
Morning, Judge.
That's TRN sound. All right, sir, you Guadalupe Reyes?
Yes.
This is 25 DCCR 1422. This was the final reset, so there needs to either be plea papers or a rejection. What's the announcement?
I'll show him how to do the rejection. I think he was, go ahead, sorry. Judge, I'm going to ask for another setting. I know it's in writing and you advised us there wouldn't be any more settings. Since the last setting we had, I've got an investigator, met with my client a few times at the office. There's some things I'd like to look into before putting it in the trial docket. I don't know if you'll give us one more setting. I would ask for 30 days, just that'll.
So typically when I say final, it's final, but this is going to be the last final. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
So this will be, truthfully, you've got to get everything taken care of
Yes,
for
ma'am.
that next court date. Make sure you stay in touch with your attorney. Y'all go over everything, whatever the state's offer is. Either you come back, you take that offer, or we put your case on the trial docket.
And he's done that without the offer, but I think, Judge, he's gotten all discovery. He did ask me this morning about an extension to have his investigator look at some things. I don't have a problem with that because he's taking
Okay.
care of everything else. Your Honor.
Perfect. All right.
Judge, and
We'll see.
Mr. Nichols has hold my hand about if I need to handle rejection,
Perfect.
how to use the tablets.
Okay, well, we'll get you taken care of
Awesome.
next time,
Thank you.
but we'll see you then.
I
Take
appreciate
care.
it, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nichols. So.
He's on a raw cell phone or there's on one. See, Mr. Radford, you've got Marquise Berry.
Yes, ma'am. Fair. You need to set that on the trial docket.
Did you do a rejection?
I think she's already done, because I'm the trial counsel that was appointed.
Has there been any change in?
No, ma'am. No, you're
All right, ma'am, you're Marquise Berry. And this is 25 DCCR 0882. And Ms. Berry is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. It's like back in March, there was a rejection of a 10-year term in prison, and you want to continue with that and go forward with trial with Mr. Radford. All right, we'll get it set on the trial docket. I do want to make sure, Ms. Berry, that you understand that after today, once your case is on the trial docket, I will not accept this plea agreement unless there's something that comes up that your attorney or the district attorney doesn't know at this point. Otherwise, if you change your mind, you can enter a plea open to the court or to some other plea agreement. Do you understand? All right, we'll get it set on the trial docket. Thank you.
Maybe speak.
Yes, sir. Um, Aaron Shetley, Ms. Melfino, and Judge Walker. Morning. All right, sir, are you Aaron Shetley?
Yes,
And Mr. Shetley's case is set, it's a pretrial, set trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. What is the announcement?
Judge, I have spoken many times with Judge Walker about this case. I know that it's obviously getting older on the trial docket. I had also let the clerk know several months ago that I was likely to be out next week, and I let her know several weeks ago I will be unavailable for court. I apologize about that. We are still working toward a possible resolution that may not involve a jury trial, but that's something that Judge and I would like to possibly discuss with you a little bit later, but that is my situation for my two trial cases next week.
Okay.
I asked that they.
And we
stay
left them on today just in case. We wanted
Yes,
to make
because
sure
I-
that there was anything that might get worked out, but if it's not going to get worked out today, any objection to that getting reset?
if she's not gonna be here, we're ready.
Okay.
And I did let
Wait,
Judge
she's-
Walker know.
So we'll just reset it on the next available trial docket. If something works out between now and then, please bump it up and so that we can get it taken care of before that date. Otherwise, we'll get it taken care of that next court day because it is definitely one of the older ones on the docket.
Thank you.
So-
And I've also spoken to the misdemeanor prosecutor who's handling that, and I
Okay.
think we'll try to take care of everything.
All right, stay in touch with Judge Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back.
Yes.
Thank you. Yep.